Hello again guys, my name is Andrew and today I'm going to show you how to build a DIY battery charger. It's very simple. You need of course a battery or some other batteries here from other phones, and you cannot charge it because your phone was broken. Or you can buy of course a charger from eBay. It costs only 2-3 euros, but if you are in a hurry and you want to do it fast, you can do that. Well, if you've had of course a battery charger board, this is a very simple. It's a 5-volt in and out is of course 5-volt and 1 amp charging. And here is how to do the connections. You have a USB charger 5-volt connected. Of course you can connect here a plus and minus 2 cables from other source. Then out battery plus and minus. I glued that with a hot glue in this piece of wood and connect it with 2 cables. And then attach it here these paper clips. Closer look, have a look. And then this plastic clamp, not so strong because you don't want to damage your battery. Don't use a metal clamp, only a plastic. And voila, that's all. The charging time, it depends how much milliamps has your battery. Approximately for 2600 milliamps it goes to 3 to 4 hours, and again depends how low is your battery capacity. Well, that was all guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my video, is your choice. Thumbs up please, share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.